Hello friends, hope you are watching and liking our videos. If you remember our video module 2, which was about data validation and how to create drop-down list, I am here today wanting to share that data validation as a feature is not only used to create drop-down lists, but it has wide variety of functionalities, and there are variety of places where it can help us. And I am here wanting to share one of that such area. I work on a particular tracker every month, feeding in invoice numbers of all the transactions that we have done. And I'm not the only one updating that tracker. I have a couple of other people in my team who update the same tracker. And towards the end of the month, we all realized that, the entry that I had made into this tracker, my colleague had also done that. And as a result, we have loads and loads of duplicate entries. And then it's a task to remove all of them. Isn't it a common issue that we all face? We all do, really. Now, I think it's more wise that in the beginning, before even we start feeding in these invoice numbers, we should ensure that there are no duplicate entries. But since we're all humans and many people work on the same thing, there are chances that they may go wrong. So we can take help of the data validation feature here. And let's see how this really works. I'm going to my data tab, and this is my data validation window. Before that, let me select these cells where I will be putting in my invoice numbers, and let's click on the data validation. Right now it says allow any value. Let's change this to custom, as I'll be writing in a formula here. Now, what is my formula? My formula is equal to Countif. So I want to count that within this range, this is my range from E3 to E21, I want to count the instances of each of the cell, E3 to E21. So I'm going ahead and fixing E3 to E21, which is my range, and I'm saying look at each and every cell within this range and count the number of instances that it is repeating itself. And I'm saying that it should be only equal to 1. So, and as soon as I click OK here, now let me start entering some invoice numbers, and let me start with ABC 1 to 3, BCD 3 3 4, okay, CDE 5 5 6, and let me repeat here BCG 2 3 4 and hit enter. Oh wow, I get the error message because I cannot put in any entry again, which means it's restricting my duplicate entries in any column. What really happened here? Let's try and understand. Okay, let me rewrite the formula that I had written over. Is equal to Countif. This was my range, comma, this was my criteria, and I said this should be equal to 1, right? And let's see, I had fixed this. So I said find each of the component, and if you can see, I have not really fixed E3, which means I am wanting the formula to check each and every row item within this range. So I'm saying check from E3 to E21 each of the cell value within the range E3 to 21, whether the count of it is 1 or more than 1. Only and only wherein the count is 1, it will be recorded. Otherwise, it will throw us an error. And that means it is restricting our duplicate responses. Isn't this very, very wonderful feature? Please do give this a try and let me know if you face any issues. You can reach me at msexcel.freak@gmail.com. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like our videos. Thank you and have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.